Good morning, students. Today we will learn about birds, different types of birds. Eagle. This bird is eagle. It likes to eat flesh. It lives on tall trees so that it can see its food. It has good eyesight and smelling. Peacock. It is our national bird. It likes to dance in the rain. It opens its wings and dance. It has beautiful feathers. Vulture. It is vulture. It also likes to eat flesh. Ostrich. It is ostrich. It is the largest bird in the world. It has wings but cannot fly. It runs very fast. Hen. It is hen. It is a domestic bird. It lays eggs. Crane. This bird is crane. It is also known as long-necked bird. Duck. It is a duck. It is a semi-aquatic bird. It loves to live in water. Duck has shorter neck and wings. It is found everywhere in the world. Kingfisher. The name of this bird is kingfisher. It has large head, long, sharp dagger-like beak. They have excellent eyesight which helps to find out its prey. Crow. Crow birds are blackbirds. They are intelligent and are found all over the world. They are omnivorous birds. They eat small animals such as insects, mammals, eggs, seeds, grains, nuts, fruits, etc. Owl. This is owl. It eats small mammals, insects, and other birds. It hoots. It sleeps in day and wakes up at night. Pigeon. It is a herbivorous bird. It eats seeds, fruits, and plants. It is an intelligent bird. It has good hearing power. Sparrow. It is a small bird. It has body covered with round black white feathers. They are carnivorous birds.